Welcome back to another video, guys. This time, checking out the Rollo Ship Manager. I'm going to log in. This setup will allow you to connect with different selling channels. As you can see here, I already set up eBay. It was pretty simple setup. You have to put in a name here, and then you click connect, and then you log into your account. And it will link you up. And then once you have all your accounts linked, your shipments will populate here, and it will put the tracking into eBay for you. Pretty smooth setup. You can track all your other orders here, and you have the option to have your shipping from address and your presets. Something I really like about this option. Let's see. Here's your presets here. You can name your preset, package type, whether it's custom package, and the dimensions and the weight. Save you a lot of time there. Once you make your changes, you can update. One feature I find pretty useful is the calculator. I'm going to go put in a fake dimensions. And the key thing that I find very useful with this is being able to compare side by side. When in other shipping platforms, you would have to redo your package and then start over for the other carrier. This is pretty big to me because I like finding the best price. Alright, once I start getting eBay orders, I'll come back and make another video showing you how that process works.
Alright, that wraps up this video. If you have any questions, please be sure to drop them below or email us. If this video helped in any way, let us know with a like or comment or subscribe. For any products mentioned, I will link them below in the description. Also, be sure to use the coupon code at checkout in the description. Thanks for watching.